Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Children, this is your English class, and I have given you one activity as a homework. Okay, you have to read this poem and you have to solve this fill in the blanks. Okay, so once we will read, I hope you all have done. Okay, now once we'll read Chinta Chetu. Chintha Chetu is a tamarind tree. This famous tamarind tree is in Gwalior. It grows over Tansen's tomb. Tansen was a great singer. People in Gwalior say, eat the leaves of this tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. So this is the thing what people says over there कि यहाँ की जो leaves हैं उसे खाओ और आप तानसेन के जैसे इन leaves को खाने से तानसेन के जैसे singing करने लगोगे. So this is the way they say. Now children, we have to solve this. Chinta Chetu is a tamarind tree or leaf. So answer is tree. This famous tree is in Guntur or Gwalior. So the answer is Gwalior. Tansen was a famous singer, dancer. Answer is singer. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's house or tomb. So it is tomb. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Akbar or Tansen. So the answer is Tansen. Yes, children. Now here the poem The Donkey. Once I'll read the poem. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. So children, this was the poem. You have to also read who has written this poem. Margaret R. Russell. This is the name of the poet. Now come on next page. This activity I have told you to do as a homework. I hope you all have done. Okay children? Okay, now I am showing you those who have not done and how to do. Okay, so here one we have done a milkman. What milkman do? Milkman sells milk. Then next is a grocer. Now a grocer, you can see the picture, sells vegetables. Sells vegetables. Okay, here you can draw the picture. Then a policeman. What policemen do? A policeman catches the robbers and criminals. Okay, like this way you have to write. Then an ice cream man. Ice cream man, what he does? Ice cream man sells ice creams. Okay, like this way you have to write. Give full stop. Then a wrestler. A wrestler fights matches. Wrestling matches will be there. So wrestlers are fighting in wrestling matches. Children, here the faces you have to draw. Okay, faces जो हैं आपको खुद draw करने हैं. Yes children, now come on this page, page number 138. This is the activity you have to do. Now here the word families. Make word families. The first word in each has been written for you. These are the word families: L family, AL family, E family, UK family. Okay, you have to write the proper words or the proper family words below. एक आपके लिए दिया हुआ है WELL well. Now here also you have to write SHELL shell. The same way you have to write down. Okay, BELL bell, SPELL spell, TELL tell. Okay, the same way this page TAIL tail. TAIL tail means poonch. Okay, then MAIL mail. See, I'm writing next MAIL mail. Mail means message. Then TRAIL trail, RAIL rail, like this way. Then here SWC E family, SWC THRW3 BWB TRW tree. Then next is book. Okay, ook family, BOOK book, LOOK look, CROOK crook, SHOOK shook, then BROOK brook. Like this way you have to write, children. Yes, children, now down. It is very interesting activity. Look at these sentences. A library is a place where books are kept. Means library ऐसी place होती है जहाँ पे books रखी जाती हैं. The same way you have to complete this. And dash is a place where aeroplanes take off and land. ऐसी place जहाँ पे aeroplanes take off करते हैं और land करते हैं. So that is the airport. So right here AIRPORT airport. The next is a dash is a place where food is cooked. Food कहाँ पे बनाया जाता है? Kitchen. So KITCHEN. Kitchen is a place where food is cooked. The next is a dash is a place where sick people are taken. So it is hospital. Sick मतलब बीमार. Okay, hospital. Then a dash is a place where you can buy things. So here a shop. कोई भी shop. Then here number 5. A dash is a place where children study. So where children study, children? Children study in school. So you can write here all the words like this way you can write. So that's all for today, children. Complete your work and show it to me. Goodbye, children.